Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to become a public figure on Snapchat. To start, you'll need to understand the platform's specific requirements for public profiles. Then, focus on consistently creating engaging and original content that resonates with your audience. Growing your following involves strategic promotion and utilizing all the unique features available to public figures on the app. Let's dive into the details. First, make sure your Snapchat account is set to public. Then, navigate to your settings and look for the My Public Profile option to begin setup. Here, you can add a clear profile photo, write an engaging bio, and specify your location. Don't forget to link your other social media accounts. This helps people discover you across platforms and boosts your overall presence. To keep your audience captivated, post diverse content, including creative lenses and engaging stories. Actively engage with your followers by replying to their messages and mentioning them in your content. Stay current by using trending topics and popular sounds to expand your reach. Collaborating with other creators is also a fantastic way to cross-promote and introduce your profile to new audiences. To expand your public figure status, actively promote your Snapchat on all your other social media platforms. Consider running fun contests or giveaways to attract new followers and generate excitement. Regularly analyze your audience insights to understand what content performs best, allowing you to refine your strategy. Most importantly, maintain consistent posting to keep your existing audience engaged and ensure sustained growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.